Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to change unit. So as example I will create rectangles with dimension 50 and 50. The next use a dim line command to create dimension linear. Now if you want to change the drawing units into meter, you can type min dwg units. Press enter and be show for the millimeter in the cursor. It means this drawing has millimeter in unit. So if you want to change into meters, you can click these icons, meters, or you can tap MA to change into meter. Press enter. Enter again until finish. Now you can use zoom, extend. The dimension will be changed into meter. To change again, you can type min dwg units, press enter. Like in here I will set into default millimeter. You can type M, press enter again until finish. You can zoom extend. Okay, that's it for basic Draftsight tutorial how to change units. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.